Not everybody in my family wears it. It's not a situation where, you know, I haven't had a choice to wear it. It's something that I have made a conscious decision about. And it means a lot to me because my faith means a lot to me and Allah means a lot to me. I am currently wearing the Ivy and Normanton white hijab, crown court hijab. It's extremely comfortable. You know, there's no audio issues. It's not too thick so that I'm like, you're sounding muffled.
I sort of embarked on this project to create a women's legal outfitter that addressed the male default in legal clothing, whereby women were very much an afterthought, notwithstanding the fact we have been at the bar for over 100 years and still have a very limited selection of courtwear open to us.
It was about sending a universal message, really, and not just to Muslim women, but to everybody, that it's time for the professional world to celebrate all people in all facets of their identity.
When Maryam said to me, I can't find a hijab that is exactly the right fit and for everything I need, a light bulb went off and I just thought, well, this is ridiculous. You know, she needs to have proper courtwear.
We wear the collarette that has the bands, right? So if you've got a hijab that is too big, you end up with just like folds of material coming under, or you end up overheating because it's a cheap polyester or satin. It's too slippery, it's too thick, it's too thin, you know, ears on show, you know, it was just not right. And so I often ended up going to markets and cutting out scraps of material and making it work, you know, but it wasn't really quite right.
I wanted to challenge this sort of stereotypical image of the bar as very male and very white, and wanted to keep promoting diverse images of women in different shapes and sizes and ages, and from different backgrounds.
And I've had, you know, lots of young people who are aspiring lawyers say, you don't know what it means for us to be able to visibly see someone ahead of us that has succeeded in entering the profession and staying in it and staying with their faith too. I feel like Allah is at the root of any success that I have. And so for me, it's a constant reminder of my identity and my purpose and why I choose to do what I do. You know, ultimately, I'm motivated by that commitment to God and wanting to fulfill an obligation that I feel to be a purposeful person on earth. And this is just one part of the way that I demonstrate that I choose to dress the way I do.